The city of Cincinnati is facing major budget cuts and temporary layoffs in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic. Mayor John Cranley made the announcement just today. WCPO 9 News reporter Kristen Swilley shares what we know now about just how big this could be.
We won't know exactly who or what will be impacted by these changes until early next week. Mayor John Cranley, though, made it very clear these cuts are necessary to maintain essential services.
We will get through this, Cincinnati, together.
With the estimated peak of COVID-19 cases still weeks away, the mayor warned the battle will get harder in more ways than one.
Those sacrifices are likely to get worse before they get better.
It's a sentiment that could ring especially true for some city employees.
All of this is sad and tragic.
Cranley didn't share details or an exact timeline, but confirmed sacrifices will have to be made after Cincinnati City Councilman Chris Seelbach tweeted the city is projecting a $60 to $80 million deficit in the general fund that would require layoffs and budget cuts by June 30th.
We also realize that unlike Washington, D.C. And the Capitol, we cannot print money. And so we have to take temporary emergency actions to preserve our ability to provide those basic services.
Cranley emphasized the focus is on making sure those services will remain in place.
We are moving quickly to ensure that we will be able throughout this crisis to provide police, fire, sanitation, public health services, in addition to, of course, clean water and sewer services. Essentials that our entire society depends upon.
The city has the money to fight the virus, including a $45 million reserve. For now, Cranley said the city would not spend any of the $150 million from bonds approved by City Council last week.
Our goal is not to have to use any of that money because it's borrowing against the future and has to be paid back. We wanted to keep that option open in order to keep all options on the table depending on how bad the crisis gets.
The mayor says those placed on temporary leave should be brought back when the pandemic is mostly over. Kristen Swilley, WCPO 9 News.